Static routing is great when you need to route from one subnet to another, and you need to tell where that gateway is to find that other subnet. Now, you can also use dynamic routing, say on a switch or a router or a firewall, and that will automatically look to other devices to update where these routes should go. But sometimes you don't want to add a dynamic route, maybe for security reasons, or maybe just because it's an additional step you just don't want to take, and you just want to create a quick static route. On this Windows computer, you can see that my IP address is 192.168.2188, and it's a /24 subnet mask. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to get to the 192.168.22 network. So how do I do that? Let's clear the screen, and I'm going to type in route space add. So this is through command line. It's a little bit different with PowerShell, and I'm going to type in /p. /p makes it persistent. So even if I restart my computer, this route is going to stay. Now, if I don't want that, I can just leave off the /p. So now I want to put in the network where I'd like to go. So it's going to be 192.168.22.0. Then I'm going to type the word mask. The mask is going to be for the subnet mask. 255.255.255.0. Now I've got to tell it the gateway. This is going to be the IP address that's on my network that will take me to this new network. So I know I have a router at 192.168.21.2, and that will take me to the 22 network. So I'll go ahead and add that, and it's there. So now if I want to get to an IP address of a computer at .22, say .100, then it will go out through my own network on 21.2, and then it will reach the 22 network, assuming that it exists. Now, if I change my mind, I can just go ahead and reverse this, but I don't need to type the whole thing. I can just go ahead and type in the route space delete, followed by the portion of the network that I'm trying to reach. And now it's gone. I've had to add routes like this many times in my career on Windows servers, Linux servers, Cisco routers, switches, and firewalls. Static routing is a quick way to traverse a network when needed.